In Lloydminster, where Alberta meets Saskatchewan, one of the best upgrading facilities in the country is run by engineers, electricians, technicians, and more, all working together, even in the rain.
Upgraders turn heavy crude oil into upgraded crude oil. With a lower viscosity and improved quality, upgraded crude is ready to be refined into products like gasoline, diesel, and jet, otherwise known as kerosene.
But there's a lot more than meets the eye to operating an upgrader. Health, safety, environment, and quality assurance best practices are all top priorities. If you've got an interest in engineering and technology and have a knack for critical thinking and problem solving, working at an upgrader might be the career for you. From the hub of the upgrader, the control room operator is responsible for monitoring multiple systems throughout the site. If you're good at multitasking and have an eye for detail, you could make a great control room operator. They play an important role in the integrity and productivity of upgrader operations, such as safety, environmental monitoring, emergency response, and communication. That's a lot of screens. These monitors show real-time data and information about the upgrader's processes, including temperature, flow rates, pressure, and levels. An operator's primary responsibility is to regulate these processes. Using a distributed control system, or DCS, they can adjust variables from the control room, such as valve positions and pump speeds, to maintain optimal conditions and ensure product quality. The lab is the upgrader's center for quality control, checking the crude oil produced at the facility. This is where lab technicians work with state-of-the-art equipment to analyze the product through a variety of tests and procedures. Lab technicians at upgrader sites can get the opportunity to work with innovative equipment like the robotic arm. Technology like this elevates the ability to run tests and improve the upgrader's overall product quality. If you like high-tech science, this just might be the job for you. Adhering to environmental regulations is a top priority at upgraders and in the entire energy industry. For example, water is used throughout the facility for things like process cooling and steam generation. Water samples are regularly tested by lab technicians who run chemical analysis, check pH measurements, and make sure any water from the site complies with environmental regulations. The main purpose of the lab is quality control. Lab technicians will test and check the crude's features like density, viscosity, and other chemical and physical traits to ensure the best quality product possible. Site supervisors and safety advisors are just some of the jobs that are often on the move. Operations and safety work together to ensure the upgrader works to its optimal function. The Motor Control Center regulates the distribution of electrical power to motors and other equipment throughout the upgrader. These electricians are working on the uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, a system that provides backup power to important equipment in the case of power outages. They're making sure the safety controls and other critical instrumentation will continue to operate without interruption. If you like troubleshooting and have good attention to detail, you may be interested in being an instrumentation technician. They're responsible for calibrating the analytical instruments for proper data collection. The instrument tech performs routine maintenance, making sure the site adheres to all environmental and safety standards. In the warehouse, maintenance workers are busy inspecting, repairing, and, you guessed it, maintaining all of the upgrader's equipment. For people good with mechanical equipment who like to work with their hands, maintenance is a great career path.